In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Classic and New Outlook. We're going to focus on the ribbon at the top of Outlook, which controls how your commands are displayed. The Classic ribbon shows more buttons and tabs all the time, while the Simplified ribbon streamlines things into a cleaner, single line so you can see more of your inbox. You can switch between them at any time, and nothing about your email or settings will be lost. Start by opening Outlook in your browser. Once your mailbox is loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small arrow icon near the toolbar. Click that arrow to open the quick layout controls. This is your shortcut to display options that affect how Outlook looks without changing your data. From the options that appear, choose View. This opens a focused set of appearance controls specifically for the reading and command areas, so you're working in the right place to change how the ribbon behaves. Inside View, select Ribbon. This is where Outlook groups the options that determine how many controls you see at the top of the app. If you've ever wondered why your toolbar looks minimal or crowded, this is the setting that controls it. Now choose Simplified Ribbon. As soon as you apply it, the command area shrinks to a single streamlined row. You'll see context-aware buttons that surface the most common actions with additional commands available when you expand menus. This view is great on smaller screens, reduces visual clutter, and keeps your focus on messages and calendars. If you prefer the fuller toolbar with more buttons visible by default, you can switch back just as easily. Use the same arrow in the upper right corner to bring up the controls again, then return to the classic ribbon. The classic layout restores the familiar tabs and multi-line command bar, showing more options at a glance for power users who like everything front and center. A few quick tips if something looks different. If you don't see the view option, try widening your browser window since some labels collapse on narrower screens. Make sure you're in Mail or Calendar where the ribbon options are most visible. And remember, administrators can sometimes standardize the interface, so if switching isn't available, it may be managed by your organization. That's it. You've learned how to open Outlook, access the View menu, go to the ribbon settings, choose the simplified ribbon for a cleaner look, and then use the same arrow to return to the classic ribbon whenever you want. Pick the layout that fits your workflow and switch anytime to match what you're working on.